Okay, so here we are. I got the intake off. The hardest part I didn't see was this piece here. It's got the dipstick and some wiring. It's a 10mm screw, hard to get at. The other tough part was this bracket here, another 10. No, there's a 13mm, and there's a 13mm at the bottom there that you got to undo. Other than that, there she is. So I plugged up those holes. I had to slide out the coolant bottle to get the room to get access to that 10mm bolt with the dipstick on it. So there's a lot of oil on the right side of the intake, all dripping down. There's also a foam gasket that goes, big huge foam thing I guess for vibration goes there. But as well, something I didn't know, this is your purge valve solenoid here. And those two wires go to this box down here. These two wires go there, as you can see. And another, what else was hard? There's a bracket there. This bracket here was hard to get off. But that's about it. So now I'm going to start working on the injectors, which is this bar there. So I'm pretty sure I undo the bolts and the thing should just come right off from what I've read. No special tools required, and then there's a few connectors to undo. Having trouble with that connector, this connector right here. Don't know how to get that off, and I don't know why they put the clip on the underside of it where you can't see it. So I'm not sure if that's part of the injector rack there. Anyways, I'm going to start working on that. So far so good. The intake was pretty easy now that I know where all the bolts are. Nothing really hard about it, and it came off really easy. So far the valve cover and the intake were pretty easy to take off. So far so good. And I haven't lost any bolts or nuts or anything yet. Almost stripped a 10, almost stripped this one coming off here. That was just hard to get at. Anyways, that's all for now, and I will show the injector when I get that out. And here is the intake. I don't know how hard it is going to be to see down that hole. But as you can see, the right side has a lot of oil around it. I'm dripping down the side there. Other than that, I didn't notice anything crazy on that piece. And that's the foam, I guess, surround protector around the intake and covers up the injectors. Anyways, that's where we're at right now. And time to work on the injector. So we'll be back in a few minutes. Thanks.